pushing my shoulders.
Hey, Avery.
Now, like mother. You're really gonna make me fall. Push on my shoulders, on my hands.
Mother, mother ocean, I've heard you call. I wanted to sail upon your water since I was 3 feet tall. You've seen it all. You've seen it all.
Set an open course for the virgin seas. Go, I want to get back. Yeah, that's pretty shady. I think it has a 200-pound weight limit. Got some beer? How's your hole? Go do some grocery shopping. Pueblo. This is unstable on the wrong side of the road. Don't see a lot of out-of-state license plates here.
You have ever seen, most of them dream. Most of them dream. Yes, I am a pirate, a few hundred years too late. The cannons don't thunder, there's nothing to plunder. I'm an overfought and victim of fate, arriving too late.
How goes it, Captain Doug?
Arriving too late. I've done a bit of smuggling. I'll be your oxygen.
Okay, we're sailing. Look at all those smarmy Brits over there. You see any British people?
Do Cockney accent.
Sorry, Mummy.
More, say more.
Forgive me. And they shot us down.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, that's cool. All right, you got your noodle. Now jump in there and wrestle you a fish.
I have been drunk now for over 2 weeks. I passed out and I rallied and I sprung a few leaks, but I gotta celebration.
Alright, good. Look at that. It's raining and the goats are on the shore. Quite a bit of rain last night. Bam, bam, bam. You ready? Do it.
Take me to the ocean, take me to the sea. Wash away my worries, let my soul be free. Take me to the ocean, take me to the sea. Wash away my worries, let my soul be free.
Captain Brent?
Ahoy!
You just like dinghies.
Yeah, that's what I wake up with.
Now it's coming around, you're feeling good. the sound we sing. Look at all this love we found. Gotta raise some more toast to the sweet life. If it's strong, I don't wanna be right. See the sun giving me the green light. Kick back.
Yeah. Woo! You gonna make it? Got your sea legs and your flip-flops?
It's a golden-throated warble garbler.
Grab it. Grab it. He's not grabbing it. Hey, what's crazy is he's crab walking away from me. What is going on here? Look at that. Those neon tetras? Baby Asian carp. Can't call them that.
There's something in the air. You come and take away my cares. I close my eyes, remember these dreams that we share. I wash it all away. You gotta give us all a break. Let the troubles of tomorrow wait till another day. Take me to the ocean, take me to the sea. Wash away my worries, let my soul be free. Take me.
Oh, that's like a pro. Oh, shoot. I was hoping Brent was going in the ocean.
Lay your long legs over here. Put your spidery thing in
When life's moving too fast, we can make this dream last. Just let the past be the past.
Go up and see what these ruins look like. This is a great photo right here. Nice one in the rain.
Tell me something that I don't know. Give me nothing but love and hope.
I think you look like a giant bass lure. What you look like.
All right, how many skips can you get? Like 0? That's not terrible. Mask up, Virgin Islands. This is losing. Losing.
I'm like, no makeup.
I'm king of the jungle.
Okay. You really like us, it's gonna be $12.15. You're a little iffy on it, it's gonna be $3.15. What?
The International Dub All-Stars we were going to see landed, and the police shut them down because COVID. All these people here ready to listen.
You can come on our boat and play.
Oh, grab it! Oh,
Everybody's ready to party.
That explains why the Popo are here this morning.
Oh.
Is COVID like exploding or some kind of shit going on we just don't know about? Or what's that?
Here comes the police. Further oust the Puerto Ricans.
Run, run, river, carry me home to the ocean. The river and the road take me home to the ocean. The friends in my life, like stars in the sky, leave the lights on. I'm trying to get back home. The river keeps on flowing to the ocean. The angels are above me, they sing that they love me, oh Lord. I'm traveling alone, so far from home and Lord. Oh no, angels, angels, please don't leave. I'm trying to get to her with the love she deserves, Lord, please. I've been playing my guitar, laying underneath the stars for you. In the light of the moon, I'll be forever singing tunes for you. When the stars are aligned like the colors in your eyes, greens and blues. It's not when the weather will always be together, it's true. And the angels above me, they sing that they love me, oh Lord. I'm traveling alone, so far from home and Lord. Oh no, angels, angels, please don't leave.
Peace out. This Arrested Development.
Nailed it.